हेलो एवरीवन, झटपट लर्निंग में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न मनुष्यता। मनुष्यता इज ह्यूमैनिटी। दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय मैथिली शरण गुप्त। तो फर्स्ट स्टैंजा इज सेइंग, विचार लो कि मर्त्य हो न मृत्यु से डरो कभी। मर्त्य मीन्स मॉर्टल, मृत्यु मीन्स डेथ। तो विचार लो कि मर्त्य हो, इट मीन्स death is certain. You know that कि death is certain and don't afraid with death. मरो परंतु यों मरो याद जो करे सभी। But die in such a manner कि everyone remember you. हुई न यों सुमृत्यु तो वृथा मरे वृथा जिए। सुमृत्यु means good death or the useful death. तो if you didn't help anyone in your entire life, then your life is no use. It's weight according to the poet. So when you die also nobody will care. वृथा मरे वृथा जिए, मतलब if you live also you die also nobody will care. मरा नहीं वही की जो जिया ना आपके लिए। मतलब यहाँ पे poet is saying आपके लिए means for himself. तो those are living for himself. Nobody care about them. Those are living for others. Even they die, people remember them. वही पशु प्रवृत्ति है आप ही चरे। Those are only living for themselves. They are like an animal. पशु प्रवृत्ति, पशु nature, animal nature. That is animals only living for themselves. That's why poet is comparing those human beings who didn't help others to पशु, to animals. वही पशु प्रवृत्ति है जो आप ही चरे। Those are like animal who didn't help anyone in their life. तो वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे means those are only human being who die for others human being. Now second stanza, उसी उदार की कथा सरस्वती बखानती। सरस्वती means goddess of wisdom. तो they are referring Saraswati to books. So in the books, lots of knowledge you can read from the books. So the poet is saying, books also telling a story about their generosity. Those people are helping others, na? The books also telling about their story. And उसी उदार से धरा कृतार्थ भाव मानती। धरा means earth, mother earth. तो what the poet is saying, धरा earth also show gratitude towards generous people. Okay. तथा उसी उदार की सदा सजीव कीर्ति गूंजती। The glory of the generosity will always alive. The glory of generosity always alive. अखंड तथा उसी उदार को समस्त सृष्टि पूंजती means and also nature. तथा उसी उदार को also nature worship the same generous people. Here अखंड आत्म भाव से असीम विश्व में भरे। अखंड आत्म भाव जो असीम विश्व में भरे। असीम मतलब पूरा, होल वर्ल्ड। तो अखंड आत्म भाव, अनडिवाइडेड। आत्म भाव मीन्स अपनापन फीलिंग. इट्स अ वेरी जेनरस फीलिंग you are feeling in this world without any differentiate, no jealousy, no hatredness, nothing. That kind of feeling, those people filled in the whole world. That kind of people only required in this world. तो वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. Consider only those human beings who die for the other human being. Now we are going to learn third stanza. Third stanza is saying, in third stanza, क्षुधार्थ रंति देव ने दिया करस्त थाल भी. क्षुधार्थ means hungry, starving. रंति देव is a king name. करस्त थाल, कर मतलब होता है हाथ, कर means hand. करस्त थाल, थाल means plate. He donated his food to others. So there is a very one story mentioned in Vishnu Puran. The Rantidev is a king, that he was a very generous king, and one time in his country a natural calamity happened and everything destroyed. Then many years no crop grow, and then he was completely that full country destroyed, and nothing is there to eat. For Rantidev was always taking care. He was not at all eating himself, not providing his family. He is providing everything for his country people. Once what happened, he was very hungry. Last 40 days he didn't eat anything. Then somewhere he got some food, and then he started eating, and that time itself one person came in his door and he asked food. Then he willingly he donated that food also. So that's why that poet mentioned this story, Rantidev name here, because this kind of devotion poet is talking about. तथा दधीची ने दिया परार्थ अस्ति जाल भी. Dadichi is a one sage. He gave his bone to protect earth. So one time God, that one very strong monster was very much powerful, and then what he did, he started torturing gods. So then gods went to Lord Vishnu and then asked help. So Lord Vishnu told there is a sage called Dadichi. He has a bone. That bone is a very strong substance. With meditation, he made his bone very strong. So then you go to him and then ask his bone. Then only that bone only can kill the demon. So that's why they all went to Rishi Dadichi and asked his bone. That Dadichi willingly ready to save the world or save the people to God, so then he gave his bone. So without, and the same way Ushinagar Kshitij ne Swamans Dan bhi diya. Ushinagar is a place name, Kshitij is a king. So Ushinagar king, he gave his own flesh to free one pigeon. Once he was in the jungle, and then he saw a hunter caught a pigeon in his cage. So then Ushinagar king felt very pity about the pigeon. So then he went there and he asked him to free the pigeon, but hunter refused. So that's why that Ushinagar king asked him ki what you want. So then hunter told ki if you give me your flesh, the same amount whatever weight that pigeon having, the same amount weight you give your flesh, then only I can free the pigeon. So then he immediately cut his own flesh and give it to the hunter. The fourth line, सहर्ष वीर कर्ण ने शरीर चर्म भी दिया. That you, everybody, maybe many people know this story. This is Mahabharata character Karna. He born with his armor and earrings, that is called kundal, and that armor is armor and earrings keeping him safe. Nobody can kill him if he has that armor and kundal. So once when Indra knows that Karna is going to fight with the Arjun and he is going to kill Arjun, so that's why he is become little selfish and went to the Karna and asked his armor and kundal. So then he willingly gave his armor and kundal, because even though that armor and kundal was stick with his own skin, then he cut his armor with the knife and give it to him. अनित्य देह के लिए अनादि जीव क्या डरे. अनित्य means nothing is, मतलब that देह means body. That body is not permanent. It's not immortal. It's mortal. One day everybody will die. That body also will destroy. So why people is scared to, मतलब you should not, don't love too much with your body. Just be a human being, and वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. Those are only human beings जो die for the others human being. सहानुभूति means sympathy. चाहिए, महाविभूति है यही. मतलब what poet is trying to say, here he is poet is describing about feeling about sympathy. So what he is saying, kindness and compassion is the greatest wealth. Mahabhibhuti means wealth. Mahabhibhuti means great wealth. तो सहानुभूति चाहिए, महाविभूति है यही। तो काइंडनेस एंड कंपैशन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ। इफ यू हैव काइंडनेस in your and compassion in you, even God also come to in your control। बसी कृता सदैव है बनी हुई स्वयं मही। बसी कृता सदैव है बनी हुई स्वयं मही, मतलब बसी कृता इन कंट्रोल। तो इफ यू हैव द काइंडनेस एंड कंपैशन इन यू, द गॉड विल ऑल्सो कम इन योर कंट्रोल। तो द नेक्स्ट लाइन इज विरुद्धवाद बुद्ध का दया प्रवाह में बहा। विरुद्धवाद बुद्ध का, बुद्ध इन टाइम ऑफ बुद्धा ब्रोक द ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन, ओके, out of compassion he broke many tradition who is not good for the society, not good for the people. He was against casteism system and all. तो here the poet is saying विरुद्धवाद बुद्ध का दया प्रवाह में बढ़ा। out of compassion he broke many old tradition which was good for the people। विनीत लोक वर्ग वहाँ क्या न सामने झुका। इट मीन्स even he broke many tradition, even though so many people still worship him because he was very kind person, he was very kind hearted, so that's why people still worship him। वही उदार है परोपकार जो करे। A generous person is one who does the others, who only help others। तो that is the only who is only a generous person to help others। तो there is वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मैंने मरे। those are only human beings who do die for the others human beings। रहो न भूल के कभी मदांत तुच्छ वित्त में, सनाथ साथ आपको करो न गर्व चित्त में। मदांत मतलब too much proudy about anything, and चित्त मतलब in your heart, in your mind। तो poet is saying कि you should never be so proud about your wealth। Wealth is going and coming, it will one time you have wealth, one time you don't have, but you should not so proud about that, okay। सनात जान आपको करो न गर्व चित्त में। सनात मतलब फैमिली मेंबर्स, your parents, family members, whoever you have, friends, don't be proud about that also, no need to be proud about that also। अनाथ कौन है यहाँ? अनाथ means orphan। who is orphan here? त्रिलोकनाथ साथ है, that God is always with them, God is always with them who is poor, who is helpless। तो दयालु दीन बंधु के बड़े विशाल हाथ हैं। बड़े विशाल हाथ है मीन्स ही इज रेडी टू हेल्प फॉर एनीवन हु इज नीड हिम। दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस्क्राइबिंग द गॉड। दयालु दीन बंधु, दीन मतलब पुअर, बंधु मतलब भाई। तो जो दयालु हैं, जो काइंड हार्टेड हैं, जो पुअर पीपल के हेल्प करते हैं मतलब इज हेल्पिंग पुअर्स, तो दयालु हैं, इज अ वेरी काइंड हार्टेड। तो ही हैज अ बिग हार्ट, then he is helping everyone who need him। अतीव भाग्यहीन है अधीर भाव जो करे। अधीर भाव मतलब एंसियस फीलिंग, मतलब यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विथ योर सिचुएशन और समथिंग, तो दैट इज द थिंग्स। अतीव मतलब बहुत ही, मतलब इज अ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट, who is very still unhappy। he knows that God is there for help him, even though if he is unhappy it means he is a unfortunate person। वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे। that is the only human being who die for the other human being। अनंत अंतरिक्ष में अनंत देव हैं खड़े, समक्ष ही स्वबाहु जो बढ़ा रहे हैं बड़े बड़े। अनंत देव मतलब इन्फिनिटी, अंतरिक्ष मतलब स्पेस, अनंत देव मतलब many gods standing over there, you uncountable God is there, you cannot count, and then they are standing to help you। in समक्ष स्वबाहु मतलब he is standing, he is open their own hand। स्वबाहु मतलब their own hand, बढ़ा रहे हैं बड़े, for help they are giving their hand to help। परस्परावलंब, परस्परावलंब से उठो तथा बढ़ो सभी, मतलब एक दूसरे का हेल्प करके, हेल्प विथ ईच अदर. परस्परावलंब मतलब हेल्प ईच अदर एंड गेट अप एंड देन go forward, go and in your life and reach your goal with help of each other. अभी अमर्त्य अंक में अपंग हो बढ़ो चढ़ो सभी. अभी अमर्त्य अंक में अमर्त्य अंक मतलब द गॉड लैप. तो if you are such a character, you are very good in person, you are helping each other and then going forward, and then God is ready to take you in your lap, in his lap, and then he is want to help you, he will always bless you with all the prosperity and happiness. तो is telling हो रहो न यूं कि एक से न काम और न सरे और काक सरे. It means what he is saying, rahona, don't be such a person who doesn't help others. Okay, तो you should be always helpful. वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए जिए. मतलब यो मतलब what he is saying, यो मतलब that kind of person. Don't be that kind of person who doesn't help others. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा है, मनुष्य मात्र बंधु है यही बड़ा विवेक है. मनुष्य इज ओनली अ फ्रेंड और द ब्रदर, दैट इज ओनली ग्रेट, और दिस इज ओनली विजडम. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड मनुष्य इज ओनली नॉट एनिमी, दे आर ओनली ब्रदर्स. पुराण पुरुष स्वयंभू पिता प्रसिद्ध एक है. पुराण पुरुष स्वयंभू मतलब दे आर टेलिंग अ गॉड. Purana Purusha Swayambhu. Swayambhu means created by himself. Is a God, self-manifested. So Swayambhu means self-manifested. He is created himself. So is only one. पुराण पुरुष स्वयंभू पिता प्रसिद्ध एक है. फलानुसार कर्म के अवश्य ब्रह्म भेद है. मतलब whatever karma you are doing, whatever karma your friend or others are doing, there may be difference. The karma is different, but अनर्थ है परंतु अरक्त में प्रमाणभूत वेद है. मतलब प्रमाणभूत मतलब it is a proof is there in Vedas is written there कि Vedas is ancient book, Vedas an Hindu ग्रंथ है. in there mention कि आत्मा is one, मतलब soul is one. Many people in this world is there, but their soul is one. परंतु अरक्त में प्रमाणभूत, अरक्त मीन्स आत्मा, सोल इज वन. प्रमाणभूत मतलब प्रूफ. वेद इज अ वेदा. अनर्थ है कि बंधु ही न बंधु के व्यथा हरे. अनर्थ है, दिस इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट कि दैट फ्रेंड इज नॉट हेल्पिंग देयर ईच अदर, दैट अदर फ्रेंड. तो you should help each other. That is the only thing you should follow or you should know in your life. वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. लास्ट स्टैंजा, चलो अभिष्ट मार्ग में सहर्ष खेलते हुए. चलो अभिष्ट मार्ग में सहर्ष खेलते हुए. लास्ट स्टैंजा, चलो अभिष्ट मार्ग में सहस्र खेलते हुए. अभिष्ट मार्ग, वॉट एवर मार्ग यू चूजन, मार्ग मीन्स पाथ. तो और सहर्ष मीन्स हैप्पीली. तो वॉट एवर मार्ग यू चोजन फॉर योर लाइफ, जस्ट गो हैप्पीली इन विथ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन दैट पाथ. विपत्ति विघ्न जो पड़े उन्हें ढकेलते हुए. ढकेलते हुए मतलब पुश अवे. विपत्ति मीन्स एडवर्स सिचुएशन, विघ्न मीन्स ऑब्स्टिकल. तो while going whatever adverse situation and obstacle coming in between your path, you should push all your obstacle and adversity, push away. And then घटे न हेल मेल, हाँ बढ़े न भिन्नता कभी. While going many people with you, you should take all of them with you. Hail mean mingle with them, and then भिन्नता कभी, no differentiate come in between. Difference come in between. अतर्क एक पथ के सतर्क पथ हो, अतर्क एक पथ के सतर्क पथ हो। मतलब अतर्क मतलब होता है विदाउट एनी आर्गुमेंट, तर्क मतलब होता है आर्गुमेंट, अतर्क मतलब अननेसेसरली आर्गुमेंट यू शुड नॉट डू while going towards your destiny. And सतर्क, you should be vigilant, you should be alert. सामर्थ्य समर्थ भाव है कि तारता हुआ चले, समर्थ भाव, दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल इमोशन यू शुड वन पीपल शुड हैव, कि यू शुड केयर अदर्स, यू शुड हेल्प अदर्स. लास्ट लाइन, वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. तो दिस पोएम इज ओवर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डू सम अदर पोएम.